Hey everybody, welcome. How are you all doing? I'm coming to you from Albuquerque. We're in Albuquerque for the week before heading back up to the mountains. And so, yeah. Um, so this is a video for the Imbira patrons, but I'm going to post this one on public YouTube channel as well, so that people can watch it and kind of get an idea of what we're doing. So, if you like this, if you could please subscribe to my channel. I've got about 740 something subscribers right now. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers so that I can start actually like making money from all my content. What a concept. So, a couple things, some sort of housekeeping at first here. I've railed on this before, but I'm going to do it again. You know, pretty regularly I see videos of people playing Imbira, but they're playing so light and delicately. And it's kind of there's a combination of things that are happening. There's that, and then also people will be playing and they make just lots of mistakes, and the mistakes that I'm talking about are when you're within the cycle of the music itself, like falling out, like losing notes, and kind of pushing the cycle, truncating the cycle, or spreading it out too far, and just basically like making those kinds of mistakes, and I'm kind of seeing people not notice that, and I want to really just spend a moment to talk about that this music is really, it's about balance. This music is about maintaining a specific cycle, the specific number of notes. I often call this music a musical mandala, and you think about a mandala, how it's a circle and there's all these intricate patterns, and it's it's well balanced. And that is, if there's one thing I would use to describe Imbira music, it is that there is an inherent, essential balance to the music. And these mistakes, they pull us out of that balance. So it's really important to be very conscious of this. If you're playing and you're making those kinds of mistakes, you have to know that that means you are unable to play with another person. Because if you're playing with another person and you make the mistake of jumping ahead in the phrase or falling behind, that person can't play with you. That's a completely different story than maybe playing notes that are incorrect notes. That is, if you're within the cycle, even hitting a wrong note isn't going to end the song. But if you're jumping out of the phrase, you become unplayable. You are a player that is not able to be played with. So it's really important to consciously be aware of that, and don't let it slide. If there's anything you don't let slide, don't let that slide. So those kind of two things, they're related to me. This sort of delicate, almost I would call it like pseudo playing of the Imbira, this kind of like real like light thing, and like not playing well. Like Imbira's powerful, and it's not powerful like manly powerful. There are powerful female Imbira players. So don't think of powerful as being masculine versus feminine. There is inherent power in this music, and that power comes from the balance. It comes from the cycle. It comes from playing this music with intention. The repetition, the intentionality, the repetition, these things are all vital to being an Imbira player. So don't slack on that, please. Okay, so with that aside now, Kristen had a request for some more Dangurangu, and I know Dangurangu is one of those songs that's considered the hardest Imbira song by some people. So it's, it tends to take on a mythological sort of vibe, I think. But I have my own style of playing it, and so what I wanted to do, I like what we started last month, where I'm going to play it. I think this gives you and the public in general, people kind of getting an opportunity to see me play, hopefully talk my talk or play my talk instead of just talking. So I'm going to play Dangurangu, just jam it for a while, probably play some variations. We'll see how Dangurangu goes. When I was playing the Mbira a minute ago, I was jumping right into Mahororo. So, sometimes I need to follow that. If that's where the Mbira wants to go, we might switch songs. But let's see how Dangurangu goes. Okay, and so yeah, if you could subscribe, and if you could, if you see variations in this in the comments, you patrons, if you could put a comment on like where in the timestamp this is on the video, then I can look back and break it down for y'all. Okay, here we go. Give me a second to get this camera. Oops. I'm using my music stand here, so that seems to work pretty well. Okay. Dangurangu. I'm going to switch to Mahororo. Oh, interesting. Shumba. Kumarimuka o Masango ano era o Yaounde Masango ano era o Yaounde Masango ano rura o Yaounde Dono kumarimuka o Yaounde Masango ano rura o Masango no era o Yaounde Dona kumarimuka o Yaounde Masango no rura o Yaounde Dona kumarimuka o Yaounde Masango no era o Yaounde All right, well, moving it around, the close-up below the head view. I hope y'all like that. Yeah, talk to y'all next time.